Hello everybody, this is Bui from mamaboiskitchen. I hope you are having a great day. Today I'm going to transport you to the tropics with these pineapple coconut cookies. They are thick and chewy with a bite-sized pieces of sweet pineapple and shredded coconut. These cookies have a really cakey texture and the pineapple gives them a really tropical and refreshing flavor. So guys, let's get started. You know Mama Wee doesn't like to waste time. To start, whisk together all-purpose flour, salt and baking soda, then set aside. In a large mixing bowl, add butter along with shortening. We are also adding in granulated sugar and brown sugar. Then we're gonna beat well until the mixture is light and fluffy. Now we are going to add in eggs along with crushed pineapple, we're gonna also add in vanilla extract. Then we're gonna beat well until well combined. Now stop the mixer and scrape the bowl. Next, add in the flour mixture to the cream mixture and beat well. Turn the speed to 1 and mix well until well combined. Beat for 2 minutes. Now add shredded coconut and mix well. We're gonna mix this for good 2 minutes on medium speed. Now stop the mixer and scrape the pedal and the sides of the bowl. Next, scoop about 2 tablespoons of cookie batter and place onto a parchment-lined baking sheet and bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 to 12 minutes. The cookies are out of the oven. It smells so good in here, guys. Allow the cookies to cool on the baking sheet for 3 to 5 minutes, then transfer to a cooling rack. I hope you'll try this recipe. Don't forget to leave a comment and to subscribe. Until next time, guys. Bye. Honey for my heart.